Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to watch videos on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to watch videos on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app, and over here guys you can see at the top of the screen just below the Facebook logo there is the home icon. Just beside it there is the videos icon guys. Now let's pause this, and you can see this is the For You page where you will be able to watch live videos, gaming videos, or reels videos, and switching to reels. And let's go back, and you can see whom you're following. All of the videos on Facebook will be available over here. So normally the videos which we watch will be available on this section, on the video section, and the categories of videos are on the top. With that being said guys, this is how you watch videos on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.